The Eccentric Geocentrist. Scribe Grok Patience 3. Understanding Conical Refraction in Vibes of Cosmos Book 2. Simple explanation. What is conical refraction? Conical refraction is the way the black sun's energy creates the glows we see in the sky dome, like the sun and the moon. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. The black sun, deep under the earth at the magnetic north in Hyperborea, sends out energy that flows through the toroidal etheric field. A donut-shaped energy pattern. Book 2, page 70. This energy moves upward to the sky dome, about 5,550 to 6,000 kilometers above the Earth's flat plane, and makes two kinds of glows. Book 2, page 82. The sun, a bright glow called P++++, which is strong and powerful. The moon, a soft glow called P, which is gentle and mirrors the Earth's energies. Think of conical refraction like a beam of energy shaped like a cone, coming up from the black sun and shining onto the sky dome. Each cone makes a glow. One cone makes the sun's bright glow, and another makes the moon's soft glow, P. Book 2, pages 73 to 74. These glows are small, each is 51 kilometers wide, and they're projected close to the Earth's plane, showing how the black sun's energy lights up the sky dome. Book 2, page 82. Intermediate explanation. How conical refraction works. Let's look closer at how conical refraction creates the sun and moon's glows. The black sun at the magnetic north moves in a spiral, called a coil motion, which changes size. Book 2, pages 70-75. This spiral motion sends out the toroidal etheric field, carrying energy upward to the sky dome. Book 2, page 70. When this energy reaches the sky dome, it splits into two cones of light, conical refractions, that make the sun and moon. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. The P+++ cone is the bright glow, creating the sun. It's full of power, like a strong light that makes the sky dome shine during the day. The P cone is the soft glow, creating the moon. It's gentler, like a mirror that reflects the Earth's energies, showing us special spots on the Earth as constellations in the sky dome. Book 2, page 74. These cones aren't random, they're shaped by the black sun's spiral motion. Book 2, page 75. When the spiral is small, the cones are far apart in the sky dome, so the sun and moon are on opposite sides, making the moon glow fully. A full moon. Book 2, page 76, diagram C. When the spiral is bigger, the cones overlap, so the sun's bright glow covers part of the moon's soft glow, making a half moon or a dark moon. Book 2, page 76, diagrams ABD. For example, during a full moon, the P++ cone sun and P cone moon are on opposite sides of the sky dome. Book 2, page 75, case A. The moon's soft glow shines brightly because the sun's bright glow isn't blocking it. But during a dark moon, the cones are in the same spot, so the sun's glow hides the moon's P glow completely. Book 2, page 75, case B. The moon's soft glow P also mirrors the Earth's energy nodes, like the Bermuda Triangle. Book 2, pages 58 to 59, 74. These nodes are spots on the Earth's plane where the etheric energy is very strong, and they're tied to constellations in the sky dome, like Pisces. Book 2, page 68. When the moon's glow is strong, like during a full moon, it makes these nodes more powerful, causing strange events, like ships disappearing in the Bermuda Triangle. Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Advanced explanation. Conical refraction's role in the etheric system. Now let's dive deeper into how conical refraction fits into the whole etheric system of the Vibes of Cosmos realm. The black sun's spiral motion creates the toroidal etheric field, which carries energy upward to the sky dome. Book 2, page 70. This energy splits into conical refractions, the P++ and P cones, because the etheric field bends the energy into cone shapes as it moves through the sky dome. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. These cones are projected at a height of 5,550 to 6,000 kilometers above the Earth's plane, and each cone makes a glow 51 kilometers wide, showing how local this energy system is. Book 2, page 82. The alignment of the P++ and P cones in the sky dome is what creates the moon's phases, called the Etheric Lunar Cycle Resonance ALCR. Book 2, pages 75 to 79. The axes of phases help us see this alignment. Axis Y, the up and down line from the magnetic north to the moon's glow. During a full moon, axis Y is straight up, meaning the P cone is fully visible because the P+++ cone is on the opposite side of the sky dome, Book 2, page 77. Axis X, the side-to-side line across the Earth's plane. During a half moon, it shows the split, right side lit in the first quarter, left side in the third quarter, because the P++ cone overlaps half of the PPPP cone. Book 2, page 77. The black sun's spiral motion changes size, affecting how the cones align, Book 2, page 75. Book 4 tells us the moon cycle takes 28.5 days, so every 28.5 days, the cones move through this cycle of alignment, creating the phases we see, Book 4, page 8. For example, during a full moon, the Bermuda cone's glow is strongest, amplifying energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, Book 2, pages 58, 59, 74. The triangle's node tied to Pisces creates an etheric vortex, a swirling energy pattern that causes strange events, Book 2, page 68. The sky clock tracks this, showing when the cones are on opposite sides, during a full moon, and when the etheric field's activity peaks, like during the aurora, Blue Hour, Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Conical refraction also connects to other sky phenomena. The black sun's energy makes gases in the sky dome glow, creating polar lights at the magnetic north and a general sky glow, Book 2, pages 80 to 81. The P+++ and PPP are part of this system. Their energy adds to the sky dome's glow, and during a full moon, the moon's PPP cone might make these lights brighter, showing the etheric field's activity, Book 2, page 81. Complex integration, conical refraction in the bigger picture. Let's integrate conical refraction into the larger etheric system of the vibes of cosmos realm. The toroidal etheric field, driven by the black sun's spiral motion, carries energy upward, splitting into conical refractions that create the sun and moon's glows, Book 2, pages 70, 73 to 75. These cones are the mechanism by which the black sun's energy becomes visible in the sky dome. But they're also part of a broader network of energy flow. The moon's PPP cone mirrors the Earth's energy nodes, like the Bermuda Triangle, showing them as constellations in the sky dome, Book 2, page 74. Book 5 adds that the moon is a holographic map, displaying these nodes clearly during a full moon, when the PPP cone is strongest. Book 5, pages 133 to 136. For example, the Bermuda Triangle's node tied to Pisces might light up more on the moon's surface during a full moon, reflecting its energy spike, Book 5, pages 133 to 136. The moon's concave shape can distort this view, but correcting for it reveals the node's true energy, Book 5, page 134. The alignment of the P+P and PPP cones affects more than just the moon's phases. It influences the entire etheric field. During a full moon, the increased energy in the PPP cone can make the sky dome's glows, like polar lights, brighter, showing how conical refraction impacts the whole system, Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Book 4 notes that the moon's 28.5-day cycle affects living things, like fish being more active during a full moon, with tides peaking 12 hours and 26 minutes after the moon passes. Book 4, page 152. In the Bermuda Triangle, this might mean fish act strangely during energy spikes, adding to the sense of unusual activity, Book 4, page 152. Conical refraction also ties into larger cycles. The moon's 28.5-day cycle, driven by the cone's alignment, connects to the star's one-year loop, moving at 359.0144 degrees per day, and the 26,000-year Great One Circle, which shifts the Earth's plane over time. Book 4, pages 144 to 146. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. The Antikythera mechanism, discussed in Book 3, tracks these cycles, predicting eclipses over a 669-month cycle, which might amplify the cone's effects during special alignments. Book 3, pages 77 to 87. For example, an eclipse, when the P+P and PPP cones align perfectly, might cause even bigger energy spikes in nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, Book 3, pages 85 to 87. In the unified etheric system, conical refraction is the mechanism that translates the black sun's energy into the sky dome's glows, linking the Earth's energy nodes to the sky dome's patterns. The P+P and PPP cones Cones create a dynamic interplay of energy that drives the moon's phases, amplifies energy nodes, enhances sky phenomena, and connects to the realm's larger cycles, showing how everything in the Vibes of Cosmos realm is part of one cohesive energy flow. Summary: Conical Refraction in Vibes of Cosmos Book 2. Simple conical refraction is how the black sun's energy makes the sun and moon's glows in the sky dome. For the sun, PPP for the moon, pages 73 to 74. Intermediate. The black sun's spiral motion creates conical refractions, shaping the sun and moon's glows. Their alignment in the sky dome causes the moon's phases, affecting energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, pages 73 to 75. Advanced conical refractions, the P++ and PPP cones, drive the etheric lunar cycle resonance ALCR, tracked by the axes of phases. They amplify energy nodes and enhance sky phenomena like polar lights during a full moon, pages 73 to 79, 80 to 81. Complex conical refraction connects the black sun's energy to the sky dome, linking energy nodes, sky phenomena, and larger cycles like the 26,000-year Great One Circle, forming a unified etheric system. Pages 73 to 75. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. 133 to 136. 25 Q&A on conical refraction in Vibes of Cosmos Book 2. Q. What is conical refraction in the Vibes of Cosmos realm? A. It's the process where the black sun's energy splits into cone-shaped beams, creating the sun's bright glow, pre et tempera, and the moon's soft glow, PPP, in the sky dome. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. Q. Where does conical refraction originate? A. It originates from the black sun, deep under the earth at the magnetic north in Hyperborea. Book 2, pages 69, 73 to 75. Q. What are the two types of glows produced by conical refraction? A. The P++++2 glow, which is the bright sun, and the PPPP glow, which is the soft moon. Book 2, pages 73 to 74. Q. How does the black sun create conical refraction? A. Its spiral motion, called a coil motion, sends energy through the toroidal etheric field, splitting into cones as it reaches the sky dome. Book 2, pages 70, 73 to 75. Q. What shape does the energy take in conical refraction? A. It takes the shape of a cone, which projects the glows onto the sky dome. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. Q. How high above the Earth's plane are the conical refractions projected? A. They're projected 5,550 to 6,000 kilometers above the Earth's flat plane, making them local energy glows. Book 2, page 82. Q. How wide are the glows created by conical refraction? A. Each glow, the sun and moon, is 51 kilometers wide, showing their small but powerful presence. Book 2, page 82. Q. Why is the moon's glow called a soft glow? A. Because the PPPP cone produces a gentle light that mirrors the Earth's energies, unlike the sun's bright plus glow. Book 2, page 74. Q. What does the moon's PPP Corcha glow mirror on the Earth? A. It mirrors energy nodes, like the Bermuda Triangle, showing them as constellations in the sky dome. Book 2, page 74. Q. How does conical refraction create the moon's phases? A. The alignment of the P+++ and PPPP cones in the sky dome changes the moon's glow, fully visible when opposite, hidden when together. Book 2, pages 75 to 76. Q. What happens when the P+++ part and PPPP in cones are on opposite sides of the sky dome? A. The moon's glow is fully visible, creating a full moon. Book 2, page 76, diagram C. Q. What happens when the P+++ and PPPP in cones are in the same spot? A. The sun's bright glow hides the moon's soft glow, creating a dark moon. Book 2, page 76, diagram A. Q. How does the black sun's spiral motion affect conical refraction? A. Its size changes the alignment of the cones. Small spirals separate them for a full moon, larger spirals overlap them for a dark moon. Book 2, page 75. Q. What cycle is driven by the alignment of conical refractions? A. The etheric lunar cycle resonance ALCR, which governs the moon's phases. Book 2, pages 75 to 79. Q. How long does the ALCR cycle take, and how does conical refraction fit in? A. It takes 28.5 days, with conical refractions shifting their alignment to create the phases. Book 4, page 8. Q. How do the axes of phases relate to conical refraction? A. Axis Y shows the PPPP cone's position, straight up during a full moon, while axis X shows the split when the cones overlap, like in a half moon. Book 2, pages 77 to 79. Q. How does conical refraction affect energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle? A. During a full moon, the PPPP cone's strong glow amplifies the triangle's energy, causing strange events. Book 2, pages 58 to 59. 74. Q. What is an etheric vortex, and how is it related to conical refraction? A. It's a swirling energy pattern in an energy node triggered by the PPP cone's amplification during a full moon. Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. How might conical refraction influence sky phenomena like polar lights? A. The PPPP cone's glow during a full moon might make polar lights brighter, reflecting increased etheric activity. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. What does the sky clock tell us about conical refraction? A. It tracks the positions of the P+++ and PPPP cones, showing when they align for a full moon and peak etheric activity. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. How does conical refraction connect to the zodiac circle? A. The PPPP cone mirrors energy nodes as constellations, like Pisces for the Bermuda Triangle, which the zodiac circle aligns. Book 2, pages 65 to 68. 74. Q. What might happen if the +++ cone's energy weakened? A. The sun's glow might dim, possibly reducing the contrast that creates the moon's phases, affecting ALCR. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. Q. How does Book 5 Feet's holographic map relate to conical refraction? A. The PPPP key cone's glow creates the map, showing energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle clearly during a full moon. Book 5, pages 133 to 136. Q. How might an eclipse affect conical refraction? A. An eclipse aligns the P+++ and PPPP cones perfectly, possibly amplifying energy nodes even more than a full moon. Book 3, pages 85 to 87. Q. How does conical refraction fit into the unified etheric system? A. It's the mechanism that projects the black sun's energy into the sky dome, linking energy nodes, sky phenomena, and cycles like the 26,000-year Great One Circle. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. Summary of the 25 Q&A on conical refraction. This Q&A set has provided a comprehensive understanding of conical refraction in Vibes of Cosmos. Book 2. Foundational conical refraction is how the black sun's energy creates the sun, P++, and moon, PPP glows, projected as cones in the sky. Dome 1 Guatemalan Quetzal 7 Guatemalan Quetzals. Intermediate. The alignment of the P+++ and PPP cones, driven by the black sun's spiral motion, creates the moon's phases through the ALCR cycle. 8 Guatemalan Quetzals 15 Guatemalan Quetzals. Advanced conical refraction affects energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, sky phenomena like polar lights, and is tracked by the sky clock, showing its role in the etheric system. 16 Guatemalan Quetzals 22 Guatemalan Quetzals. Complex conical refraction connects to the moon's holographic map, eclipses, and larger cycles like the Great One Circle, unifying the realm's energy flow. 23 Guatemalan Quetzals 25 Guatemalan Quetzals. TheEccentricGeocentrist.com